Yeah. Fuck with me though, nigga. Let's get it right. Come on. Chill. Yo. I'm not a trap nigga. I'm a rap nigga. I come through in your crib, might clap a nigga. Beat a nigga dead. What's good, nigga? Oops, you can't talk. It's my fault, nigga. I've been around the hood and I seen too much. I've been around my niggas and I seen too much. Maybe that just corrupt my mind, even though I got no time to waste. I'm in your face, really gonna make your face, erase your face. Come through, I'ma eat the food off your plate. I'm that harder nigga, beat cake, nigga, go clap a nigga if you have to. Get it right. I salute all my real niggas, all my ill niggas with fucking balls, niggas. If you the rapper, come and holler at me, nigga. Put me on your track. I'm gonna kill a nigga. When I'm on it, it's like slaughterhouse. Coming through, kicking down your door. You know what I'm about. Fucking niggas up in the mink brain. Niggas know me, I've never been the same. Ever since I really came to the hood, and I came back to the hood, and you know what's good. I'm just feeling like I'm a fucking dope as out. Now these niggas wanna come to wanna scope this out. If you listen to my mixtapes, all than that, niggas be thinking I'm all that. I'm all that like a bag of chips, like a good kiss of me. Wanna come and kiss my dick, she the trip. Don't flip, you might be that nigga to be flipping. I come through, niggas keep gripping. Eddie Griffer, I gotta get her. I put a mask on her, now she mobbing, now I'm dancing. No, two-step, already know, boy watch your mouth, two-step. You walking in my crib, acting like you hard, you only got one left, two-face. I don't trust niggas like that, blat-a-tat-tat, you know what it is when I'm back in the booth, killing the mic, making the mic bleed, man, I'm burning the mic. You could tell Lucifer, yeah, I'm killing the mic. It's so much money, so much dumb niggas doing dumb shit. You already know I'm on some real shit. Kill a nigga quick, get a grip. Now niggas wanna get inside, wanna get hit, wanna get tripping. Man, I'm not really tripping, man, I'm flipping on this nigga's fashion now. On this nigga looking at me like I won't do nothing, nigga, hold up. That's when your ass is wrong, sing the same song, fucking red me. You must butter off, singing a thong song. Cisco, you a sissy boy, fucking red me. I kill niggas like those, boy. Yeah, I just roll up, pull up in the black truck, nigga, what's up? How you doing though? All my niggas on the corner, holla back when you see me, gotta get my fitted back. Yeah, I got my name on it, got some game on it, even though you hot with it. Let me hear it, boy, let me see what you got, boy. Let me see if you spit bars, boy. If you hotter than me, I give you props. If you're not, I might kick your ass off my block. You know, everybody on my block is hot, kinda hot. Dodging from police, running from police, shooting at the police. You already know when I'm in a booth, I gotta set my mind free. That's all I could do. At the same time, you know when this nigga come through, I'm that hot boy, sitting with them hot toys. Bang, 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 kill a nigga with them hot toys. Burn a nigga up like a bacon. I would keep it real, man. Tell me what's shaking. Brooklyn BK, yeah, I'm on this. I know a lot of niggas wanna be on this. I'm honest. Can a nigga be honest? Man, you just ain't real to this. Nah. I'm laughing at this nigga, laughing at me. You laughing at me. Man, I'm laughing at you. What's good? Tell me what's true. Tell me what you do. Anytime when I come through, it's Brooklyn gang, so woo. I gotta get up on a nigga one time. Lot of niggas suck one time. You already know when I'm on the grind. I ain't playing with nobody, so you gotta tell this nigga one more time. When I roll up, pull up in that new ride. Already know how I do ride, do five, you know. I gotta get up, gotta get my mind right, gotta stack my money up. That's how we do it, right? I'm on the block every day and night. I walk outside every day and night. I go to work every day and night. After work, I hit the booth every day and night. Every day you see me, I'm just getting nice like a bowl of rice. Man, don't touch it. I might cut your hand off like I'm on a budget. No budget. You know what it is when I do shit. Live shit. I tell it like it is. Ain't no fake shit. Real shit. I'm back over here, dump a nigga off the fucking balcony. Now these niggas know you didn't see me. You don't know who did it. How you doing though? How you feeling though? Don't be a victim though. You a victim hoe, man, I got that new flow. Kicking in the kitchen though. Man, let's get it though. Mr. Go Get It, I'ma go get it. Got more money, man, I gotta buy me a new fitted. The dope is out, the dope is out, the dope is out. You know the dope is out, the dope is out. You know dope is out, the dope is out. You know this nigga dope is